What's going on, everybody? So today we're doing Chick-fil-A. It's a Sunday afternoon around 4 o'clock, 4:30. So I'm gonna take y'all along for the journey. We're getting stuff set up right now. I'm gonna show y'all kind of the dirty spots, and then I'll show y'all how we clean it. As you can see, these heavy traffic areas, man, they get a lot of grease from taking the trash out, stuff like that. So what we wash is we wash all the sidewalks. We do around the doors, of course. We do these front parking spots, but we don't do any of the parking lot unless we're asked to. So I'll show you kind of what we do. We do all this. It's gonna be a good one today. We got some grease out here by the dumpster pad. That area is usually pretty bad. So this is what we're working with today. Whew. That's pretty bad. So we're gonna get that cleaned up. We don't do inside the dumpster pad unless they ask us to. So we just wash this. We go out to about where this line ends, kind of like right here. We'll wash all that. We do these parking spots as well. We do this. This is usually the worst spot right here, because this is right where they take all the trash cans and the grease traps and all that stuff out. And then we do the drive-through from the order stations all the way down. Do all this. And this side's not usually too terribly bad, but today it's pretty dirty. So I had y'all on this, the little gimbal, but it just died, so I guess I gotta do handheld. But anyways, we do all this. This usually isn't too terribly bad, but today it's pretty dang greasy out here, so we'll get all these spots. And then, like I said, we go all the way to the other side over there. Got some kids over here with scythes chopping down weeds. It's crazy. So let me show y'all what we got. Our high pressure hose out. This is our surface cleaner, which we actually don't use this one because I got to change the tips out on it. So we actually use this surface cleaner right here. And we got the good stuff. So we got the 23 horsepower Vanguard motor with the hot water system, 330 gallon tank, with the soap tank over there and antifreeze tank, which we won't really need here in Texas. But yeah, I'm gonna get ready and I'll take y'all along for the ride. Alright, so we got this wet over here. We're going to spray some of this down. So we'll come through and just brush this a little bit. And then we'll get the hot water on, and then we'll surface clean it. Alright guys, so we got the front all cleaned up. Some of it's still drying. I'm about to pull the trailer to the drive-through side, and we'll get started over there. It's a lot of concrete. Well guys, I wasn't really happy with how this side turned out over here, so we're going to come back on this side. We finished up everything else. We're going to hit this real quick, then we're going to get out of here. So yep. Alright guys, so we got the surface cleaner back out, finished this up. Looks a lot better. So we're just dumping the rest of our water. And yeah, I know it's probably really hard to see anything right now, but this spot should be close to dry. So cleaned up really well. Let's go check out the dumpster pad. We had a lot of issues today. Surface cleaner just wasn't acting right. But yeah, guys, I appreciate y'all watching. I'll probably make another video. This one kind of ran long because we ran into some issues, but well, that's just part of the game. So I will catch y'all on the next one. Appreciate y'all watching, and hopefully next time I can get y'all a little bit better video. So see y'all next time.